Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3. Maybe the wave 3 is already over. It kind of looks like it is on the sort of time frames. Definitely didn't hit the 161.8, but I still think even if it is over, it's probably going to have to go down and make a wave 4, and then eventually go back up and make a wave 5. So eventually I do think it is going to go up to and maybe even beyond that 25.50 area. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm kind of starting to believe that the wave 3 is already over. That this is actually an A, this is actually a B, and we're probably going to go down for a wave C of wave 4, then probably head back up for the wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame is where you can kind of see this a little bit better. Most likely this right here is a 5-wave pattern. It definitely is 5 waves, probably a wave A. This is probably very clearly 1, 2, 3 waves up right here, probably a wave B. And if that's the case, then we're probably heading down now to make a wave C of wave 4 before we actually head back up for the wave 5. We just had a break of structure to the downside, so most likely that pretty much confirms that we are going down for the wave C and that we should be looking for sorts on shorter time frames. So on the 4-hour time frame, we just had that nice break of structure to the downside. At this point, I would kind of assume that this is a 1-2 and we're in a wave 3 of wave C, which means that this is probably going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs for the rest of the week and probably right into next week. We do have interest rate next week for the US dollar, so maybe that's what's going to finally drive this back up eventually. But for now, I would definitely continue to look for sorts on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for sorts right now. I kind of suspect that this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave 4 on the higher time frames at least. So if that's true, then that means that we definitely want to try to go short, especially at the end of every 3-way pipe pullback that we see. If this really is a wave 3 of C, then we have a pretty decent amount of downside potential, which means there should be a pretty decent amount of sorting opportunities over the next week of trading or so. So definitely looking for sorts on these sort of time frames until proven otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.